Okay, let's just jump right in. We are living through this massive shift in AI. I mean, we've gone from those clunky, kind of dumb chatbots to systems that feel genuinely intelligent, that can reason and create. Now, if you're a software developer, this isn't just another trend. It's a whole new world opening up. So think of this as your personal roadmap to building a career right on that cutting edge.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You're trying to get a simple answer from a support bot, and you're just stuck in this ridiculous loop, typing the same thing over and over. It feels like you're arguing with a brick wall. Well, that shared frustration, that's actually the perfect place to start, because it shows us just how far we've come.
And this slide really breaks down that massive shift. On one side, you have the old world, rigid, rule-based chatbots that were incredibly expensive and took forever to build. On the other, you have the new world of large language models, or LLMs. These things are flexible, they're generative, and they can have